All try to figure out inflation and new ways to save. The best place to start might be your grocery list. And the best way to save, experts say, is meal planning. Consumer reporter John Matteries shows why that can mean big savings so you don't waste your money.
Allison Crowdis is the ultimate meal planner.
Sweet potatoes, red bell pepper, white onion, and green beans.
She runs a meal delivery service called Dinner to Doorbells,
White chicken lasagna.
along with business partner Jen Eisenstein. And they're very careful to buy only what they know they will use that week.
It's a very deliberate meal for this day.
One of the big advantages of meal planning or using a service like this is you don't end up overbuying, purchasing too many ingredients, and having to throw them all away a few months later.
If you know your budget, you know your grocery budget, then you can plan within that budget.
Jen, Allison, and other shopping experts say planning each meal in advance can save $100 or more on groceries every month.
When people look at their total spending, all of their spending, the category that always surprises them is grocery spending.
Founder of CouponMom.com, Stephanie Nelson says, on top of making a list, compare prices of common items.
You pick like 2 or 3 stores a week, and you cherry pick the best deals at each store.
Also, cut back on impulse purchases by limiting how often you shop.
If you're going 4 times a week now, if you can cut that down to once.
According to the USDA, the average family wastes $1,500 a year on uneaten food. So what can you do? Stephanie suggests buying only the items you need, making smart substitutions for less expensive items, and swapping at least one restaurant meal for an extra meal at home. Jen and Allison say planning the week's meals on Sunday can save you money and time Monday through Friday.
Dump it onto a sheet pan, throw it in the oven, and then it's ready to go.
That way you don't overspend and you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.